Welcome back, Algebra 1 students, to another exciting episode of Study Guide for the final. Now, where were we? We left off on problem number 6. So this is problem number 6 on our study guide. It says, after a parade, a group of volunteers is helping to pick up the trash along a 2-mile stretch of the road. The group decides to divide the length of the road so that each volunteer is responsible for cleaning up equal length sections. The first part of this problem says find the length of the road section for each volunteer if there are the following number of volunteers. Be prepared to explain or show your reasoning. So check this out. We're gonna go ahead and do part A first. Part A says, that's my baby in the background. You can go ahead and ignore her. She's excited over her Mickey Mouse. So part A, we have 20 volunteers, right? So we know that they're cleaning a total of 2 miles worth of road. But we got to take that 2 miles and we got to divide it by the 20 volunteers. Why? Because we want them to clean equal sections. So we're going to go ahead and take 2 divided by 20. 2 divided by 20, that gives me 1/10, which that turns into, if I were converted to a decimal, 0.1 miles. All right. That's 0.1 miles. So we are done. We already solved letter A. Letter B says, what if there's 14 volunteers? Well, we're just going to do the same thing. 2 divided by 14 is equal to 1/7. And then if I convert that to a decimal, that is 0.1. Whoops. My mouth said 1 and my pen said 4. But it's actually 1.42 miles. We're going to keep it at 3 decimal places. 142 miles. And that is our answer for B. All right, we're going to answer part 2 of the question. Part 2 says, write an equation that would make it easy to find L, the length of the road of the section, each miles for each volunteer, if there are n volunteers. Basically, what this is telling me, if we don't know the number of volunteers, if we're just given the variable n, how much of the road do they have to clean up? We don't know the number. We're just going to put a variable n. So we still keep the 2. But guess what? Instead of putting an actual number, dividing by an actual number, we're just going to divide by n. 2 divided by n is equal to L, which L is the length of the road. We are done with number 6. See you guys in the next video.